One of the other things na exclusive sa Funko maliban dun sa DARTH na Funko Pop was yung Jollibee na glow-in-the-dark Barong. And one way to get that was to get this. This is Hobbiestock's mystery pop na box and we're going to open it today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I know this is not my usual content, but if you want something na pambanlaw lang ng brain, para hindi naman masyadong seryoso, or if you want, well, more of the personal stuff, and if you are also into toys and collecting, maybe this is something that might interest you. So, usong-uso ngayon yung fad ng mystery boxes, and I'm not into gadgets or anything like that na nabibili sa Lazada or anywhere else, but one thing I'm really into are Funko Pops. So, when I got the chance to get this is yung mystery box ng Hobbiestock. Ang sabi nila, assured daw na you get 1 Jollibee na glow-in-the-dark na Barong, and I think 3 na stickered na Funko Pops and 2 regular ones. Parang ganun yung breakdown. Pero I didn't look into it masyado. All I wanted, honestly, is yung Jollibee na glow-in-the-dark. So, hindi tayo nakapila ng maaga for that. So, this is a good chance for me to get it. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. So, first of all, I just want to commend them for the bag, no? Honestly, you get a lot of eco bags everywhere. Pero this one is really special. Ang ganda nung pack na meron siyang rope. So, yan. Mukha siyang kahit pa paano better than the usual ones. So, na-appreciate ko yun. So, ito yung box. Ayan. So, yan. Nakalagay dito. And Hobbie box, exclusive release at FunCon, the fun is here 2019. So again, if you want one of these, meron pa silang a few in their booth. I'm trying to post this on August 3, hopefully, para kung meron kayong time, pwede pa kayong humabol. You can get it from Glorieta 2 Activity Center dun sa FunCon. So, nakakatuwa yung event. Wala akong masyadong na-shoot, walang b-roll, walang anything like that. Kasi again, hindi naman sinasadya. Pero, since we got there, we got this, and papakita na ko sa inyo kung yung makukuha natin. Ngayon, so, join me in hoping na may mga magagandang laman to. Yeah, medyo up in the air yung aking odds when it comes to mystery boxes. Minsan okay, minsan hindi. Pero for hobby box, titingnan natin kung ano to. Ngayon, so, ngayon may cutter na tayo, nag-level up. Level up na tayo ngayon. Dati, pagunting-gunting lang. Ayan. I know you have to cut away from yourself, pero hindi ko siya makontrol that way. So, pero trust me in this. Ako naman dati ay nagsasculpt ng polymer clay. So, sanay po ako mag-handle ng aking blades. Ayan, kahit na medyo malabong mata ko. So, ayan. Ayoko muna silipin. Tayo muna. Hopefully, may maganda. So, may clue. May clue na kung ano yung laman. Stop na tayo dun muna. We'll pull one of them isa-isa lang. And then I'm going to show it to you. So, again, 6 dapat sila. Hopefully, may mga special. So, protector ba to? Wala. So, usually kasi you know kung special yun kung may protector siya. Pero walang may protector dito. So, pantay-pantay sila. Let's take this one first. Okay. Alright! I don't have one of these yet. So, which is good. This is yung Avengers na Hulk. Ito yung latest sa series. Ito yung naka-costume siya ng nagta-time travel siya. So, if you saw the movie na Avengers, ito yun. So, again, stickered special edition. Yan, yung naka-suit siya na pang time travel. It's one of the things that I love about the Hulk Pop, this one in particular, is it's actually bigger than most Pops. So, mas matangkad siya than most Pops. Ito yung series, you can see there for reference. Yan, mas matangkad siya dun sa iba. So, if i-display mo siya out of box, makikita mo na mas matangkad si Hulk sa kanilang lahat, which actually makes sense. Out of this, I actually have Black Widow, tsaka si Nebula, tsaka si Captain Marvel. So, I have the girls, I don't have any of the boys. So, this is a good deal for me. So, this is the first one. This is Hulk. Okay, let's take another one. kinakabahan ako. Bakit ganun, no? Actually, kasama sa thrill talaga ng mystery box yung kinakabakabahan ka kung maganda ba yung makukuha mo o hindi. So, it's part of the experience. Yeah. Oh! Wow! Oh, wow! Okay. This is Void from The Incredibles. This is really nice. This is Funko 2019 Spring Convention Limited Edition exclusive siya. So, Void from Incredibles 2. Honestly, I haven't seen the movie. But I do know na special tong pop na to. And it just makes me want to watch the movie even more. So, I'm just waiting for the release actually in Incredibles 2. Possibly on Netflix so I can watch it. Kasi nung review season kasi nung lumabas yung movie so wala akong oras para manood. Pero, cool pop. Ang ganda nung colors. At saka ang ganda kasi sa loob niya meron siyang parang ring ng water or force field ba yan dun sa loob. So yeah, super cool. Tsaka stickered siya. So it's exclusive. In fairness ha, dalawa ng stickered to. So again, dapat daw isang Jollibee, tatlong stickered, dalawang regular. Toss up. Parang ayoko na tuloy bumunot kasi nakuha na natin yung dalawang stickered. Baka mamaya puro common na yung sa dulo, no? One. Okay, this is a common one. Well, in fairness, well, I don't play Overwatch, but this is a really nice pop. This is PHARAH from Overwatch. So if any of you play Overwatch, you probably know this character. Ganda nung pop, in fairness. Ang ganda nung details. So, meron siyang parang helmet na gold. Yeah, it's actually really nice. So, for a common pop, I'm happy din na hindi siya yung mga tipong nakatayo lang na, alam mo yun, nakatayo lang na character. So, lagay ko siya dito sa ilalim kasi ibang level si Hobbie. Lagyan natin siya dyan. Okay. So, we have 3 more. 3 more. Katens. Ano ba to? 1 more. Okay, this is another common one. Stimpy. From Ren and Stimpy. I'm too old for this. So, any of you who have kids at home na nanonood ng Nickelodeon, probably kilala nyo to. It's probably a newer show, Ren and Stimpy. So, character siya. Ren is like a mouse. Tapos ito parang dog siya or... Hawig siya actually Tasmanian Devil, diba? Pero iba yung color blocking niya. So, I'm not aware of this. Again, common pop. Goes with the box. Sabi naman nila, 2 commons. Ayan. So, we already have 4. Sabi ng aking researcher, vaulted na daw si Stimpy. So, ang ibig sabihin ng vaulted, they won't make any of those anymore. So, usually, when it comes to pops, it means na the price would increase over time. Kasi, again, wala nang ganyan nalalabas ever. So, I'm just not sure how strong of a following Ren and Stimpy has. Pero, it's a fairly nice pop. Again, I don't know if I'm going to keep it in my collection, but it's okay. So, we have 1 more. Oh! This one's really nice! This is Darth Vader from Star Wars Celebration 2019. Ito yung gold chrome na Darth Vader. Well, hindi naman siya limited edition ha, pero kasi the thing with this is, from what I know, you have to be there to get this. Tapos gold chrome siya. So far, ang chrome ko pa lang ay si Loki and this. So, 2019 Galactic Convention exclusive siya. In fairness ha, this is really nice, ha? Yung mga stickers nila. Yeah. This is probably going to stay in my collection because I am a bit of a nerd. So, Darth Vader is someone I appreciate. Well, not his deeds, no? Pero, Star Wars is always, pillar yan ng nerddom. So, he'll probably stay in my collection. The other 2, I'm not sure pa. Let's see. I'm not into that. So, of course, kung nakuha ko na lahat nung 5 hindi si Jollibee na yun. Next, this is Jollibee na glow in the dark. Ang glow in the dark siya naka-barong. Yan. So, I have one na yung naka-barong si Jollibee. It's actually part of my collection already. It's up there. Naka-display na siya. But this one is different kasi glow in the dark yung barong niya. Okay, so may sticker din siya na glow in the dark. That's Hobbiestock exclusive siya kasi you can't buy it from anywhere. And the thing with this is, it's a bit limited talaga. Hindi siya masyadong... I think, if you think of terms lang ng numbers, para mas konti pa yata ito kaysa dun sa Darna. Sa pila dun sa event, onting-onti lang yung wristbands na binigay nila so you can get one of these. So, ano man, batang Jollibee tayo, so kailangan talaga ito. So far, out of the Jollibee Pops, I already have Jollibee na plain and Jollibee na Barong. So, yung dalawa lang. Merong flocked, hindi ko nakuha yon sa Toy-Con. Pero now, I have Jollibee na glow-in-the-dark Barong. So, yeah. Cool. So far, again, for Hobbiestock, good. Reasonable box. Kasi Jollibee in Barong pa lang, actually, the price right now is really ridiculous. I think ang selling price niya is around 3,000 pesos. So, if you think about it, sulit na dito pa lang. Pero ako, again, I won't be selling this. This is going to be part of my collection forever because I'm a jolly kid. And this one, I really appreciate. I really like. I've been thinking about getting this. Hindi ko lang siya ginagawa kasi wala lang. Kasi ayokong kumpletuhin yung buong line ng Avengers kasi ang dami-dami nung makapagastos ako, no. Ang kinuha ko lang talaga na Avengers yung mga girls. Pero I really wanted to have Hulk kasi for reference. Ultimately, my goal would be to have space to display everything out of box. Pero right now, wala ako space for that. So, good na meron ako nito. Tapos ito, this is really special kasi actually, I've never seen one of these. I've never seen one of these ever. So, always happy to have one of those. Tapos, of course, si Darth Vader. Okay tayo dyan. So, yan yung nakuha natin out of the mystery box, out of yung hobby box ng Hobbiestock Collectibles. And again, if I'm able to post this, hopefully, before August 4, you can get one of these sa Glorieta 2. Meron silang booth there, and you can just fall in line and get one of these. Guaranteed, meron ka agad Jollibee Barong kahit na hindi ka nakapagpila ng maaga. So, that's always a good thing. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. And again, babalik naman tayo sa usual content natin. Huwag kayong mag-alala if you're only here for yung mga lessons. This is just a little bit of, breather din for me. Kasi if you're not aware of it, yung mga estudyante ko sa civil service, when I took the exam, hindi ako ninenervyos. Pero every time mag-exam kayo, hindi ako usually makatulog. So, one of the things my family does is nilalabas nila ako usually pag ganito para hindi ako magmukmuk sa kwarto at umiyak na lang at ma-stress at ma-pressure na pumasa kayo lahat. So, I'm always there with you naman when it comes to that. I'm cheering you guys on. So, yeah, it's just a little bit of a diversion for me. And I'm really happy with what I got. So, thank you so much, Hobbiestock Collectibles. And this probably won't be my last purchase naman from you guys. I got my Michael Jordan na bronze from them. Pero I'll try to edit this video first before that because I really wanted you guys to get a chance then to get yung Jollibee na Barong kasi limited din yan. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Never stop learning. Adja, kain yan. I'll see you in my next video. And if you want more Funko Pop content, subscribe, like, bye for now.